I'm going to show you guys how to flip fold, bag, and put a size sticker for a more finished retail look. Coming up. Welcome back everybody. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. So what we are in the middle of is flip folding, bagging, putting size stickers on a clothing line that we are producing for one of our clients, and I just wanted to show you guys how we go about doing it. So let's go ahead and dive right into this tutorial. Alright, as you can see here, we have some flip folded bag ready to go with their appropriate size stickers here. Here is a shirt that we need to flip fold. Here's our 6-color screen print on the front, and then we got our custom neck label with the tag removed. Let's go ahead and flip fold this and stick it into a bag. Okay, so some of the things that you will need are a flip fold. You're going to need sticker labels for your various sizes. We have small through 2XL. And last but not least, you're going to need some poly bags to put your t-shirts in. I'll leave a link down in the description as to where you can find these. But let's go ahead and get started and I'll show you how this works. So the first thing we need to do is flip fold our shirt. So I'm going to take it with the graphic side down, and I'm going to align the collar up here at the top. I'm going to spread out my sleeves. Then I'm going to take the bottom of my shirt and I'm going to fold it up. Now I'm just going, you can do either side first, it doesn't really matter, but I'm going to fold one side over the other side, and then if you have your sleeve hanging over like this, depending on the size of the shirt, I'm going to flip fold it again, and then you do your bottom fold, you get in half, and now it's all nice and folded, ready to be bagged. This is even a service that we do offer, just the flip folding alone. So if you want to take these and stick them on a shelf at your retail store, these are services that we do offer. So now next thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of our poly bags. We're going to stick this thing inside of the bag. This is probably the trickiest part of it all, because just putting a t-shirt in a bag really isn't the simplest thing, although it's not the most difficult. Generally I kind of tend to hold it with my chin and slide it in the bag. However, for demonstration's sake, I'm going to do it this way. So I'm just going to pull it down into the bag. There we go. I'm going to make sure everything's nice and flat in there. So it looks pretty good. The last step is to fold this little top seal here inside out like so, and then we're going to fold it back, and now we're going to take some Scotch tape. We're just going to tape this back so that way all the excess plastic that is up here at the top looks a little more finished. Now last but not least, we do have an extra large size sticker here, and stick it onto our finished product. So there we go. That's how we go about flip folding, bagging, putting a size sticker on a clothing line or clothing brand on t-shirts, so that way you have a little bit more of a finished retail look, and by doing so it gives your product that much more of a finished look, that much more professional, and you can charge more for your t-shirts. On both sides, that is. On the screen printing service side, we can charge a little more for the folding, bagging, and putting the size sticker. Plus, on the retail end, you guys can charge more as well. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to subscribe. Till next time, guys, we'll see you later.